This year we decided to make a gingerbread village tower, and everything's edible on this. So it's made with circles of gingerbread supported by gingerbread and wrapped in fondant so that the lights would look nice and warm and bright. We used the sheets of clear gelatin to make those windows, and this is very fun. My favorite thing was making these little elves with their caps pulled down really low, so we just see their noses and their ears, and some of them are peeking out with their little hands out the window, and there's another one on a sled. So that's it for Gingerbread 2025. Happy New Year!
So I'm going to set up two separately. One is probably the top, and then after that I'll do the bottom, if it goes. Okay, here we go.
Well, that was effective.